Have you ever found yourself following a trend, but don't know the best time to enter? In this video, I will explain how to use FRAMA to identify the trend and the Vortex Indicator to get clear entry signals at just the right time. First, let's talk about FRAMA, which stands for Fractal Adaptive Moving Average. This indicator is an adaptive moving average that dynamically adjusts to market volatility. Unlike other moving averages, FRAMA reacts quickly when the market is very volatile and smooths out when the market is calmer. This helps you avoid false positives and detect trend changes more accurately. And how do you interpret it? Very simple. If the price is above the FRAMA line, you're in an uptrend, and if it's below, it's a bearish signal. It's that easy. There are many versions and variants of this adaptive moving average, but we will use the version from user Shizaru. Search for Fractal Adaptive Moving Average. Now, on to the Vortex Indicator, or VI. This indicator is designed to measure the strength and direction of the trend. The VI is made up of two lines, VI positive, blue line, and VI negative, red line. If VI positive is above VI negative, you are looking at an uptrend. If negative VI crosses above positive VI, we have a downtrend. It is an excellent indicator to confirm trends and avoid getting caught in false market movements. It works very well when you combine it with a trend indicator like FRAMA. You can find this indicator in TradingView, searching for it by the exact name Vortex Indicator, and add it to the chart. What happens when you combine the FRAMA and the Vortex Indicator? The FRAMA is in charge of showing you the general trend of the market, bullish or bearish. But this is where the Vortex does the most important work. Once the FRAMA indicates the direction, if positive VI crosses above negative VI in an uptrend according to FRAMA, it is a clear signal to enter buy. In a downtrend, if negative VI crosses above positive VI, it is a signal to sell. This combination allows you to trade only when the trend is confirmed and the Vortex crossing validates the entry. In this chart, the FRAMA shows an uptrend, as it is below the price. At the same time, positive VI crosses above negative VI, which gives us a confirmation that it is a good time to enter a long position. In this other chart, we see that the price is below the FRAMA, which suggests a bearish trend, and the negative VI crosses above the positive VI, which confirms that it is a good time to sell or open a short position. This combination gives you clear and confirmed signals, which greatly improves the quality of your trades. By combining FRAMA and the Vortex Indicator, you can expect a strategy that adapts to the volatility of the market and gives you much clearer trend signals, and you enter trades with greater confidence. Not forgetting that it is not a complete system, but a complement of confirmation of entries. To increase the chances of success, you must combine it with other types of analysis such as supports, resistances, trend channels, etc. I hope you found this combination of indicators useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.